Stocks in news: HUL, Kalpataru, Colgate, AGI Infra and Midwest. 1. Kalpataru Projects wins orders worth 2,332 crore rupees. More details. Kalpataru Projects International wins order in the areas of power transmission and distribution, T&D, in overseas market and orders in the buildings and factories, B&F, business in India. The details of the aforesaid new orders are as follows. 1. Orders in the power transmission and distribution, T&D, in overseas market. 2. Orders in the buildings and factories, B&F, business in India. Manish Mohnot, MD and CEO, KPIL, said, "We are pleased with the strong ordering momentum in our T&D and B&F businesses with cumulative order inflows till date in FY26 nearing 15,000 crore rupees, representing a healthy growth of 25% YoY. 2. 4,465 crore rupees dividend payout. 10.53 lakh retailers get Diwali bonanza from this blue chip." Hindustan Unilever Q2 results and dividend. The multinational FMCG major announced its quarterly earnings for September 2025 quarter and announced an interim dividend of 19 rupees apiece. Net profit rises 3% to 2,690 crore rupees, announces 19 rupees dividend. This compares to a net profit of 2,612 crore rupees reported in the corresponding quarter of the previous fiscal year. The company's standalone revenue from operations for the quarter was 15,585 crore rupees, a marginal 0.5% increase from 15,508 crore rupees in the same period last year. The standalone total sales component within this, at 15,418 crore rupees, registered a 1% growth. 3. Colgate shares tank 4% on target price cuts post Q2 results, market share loss. Centrum Broking said Colgate has seen market share loss given HUL has seen marginal decline while Dabur India has seen growth in oral care portfolio. Shares of Colgate-Palmolive dropped 4% in Friday's trade as 17% drop in profit and 6% fall in sales in Q2 amid already muted expectations, triggered downward revisions in earnings per share estimates. The FMCG stock fell 3.85% to hit a low of 2,200 rupees and 60 paise apiece. 4. AGI Infra shares gain 4% on nod for fundraising. Market cap crosses 3,500 crore rupees. AGI Infra stock surged 4.28% to 277 rupees and 50 paise on Friday after board of the firm approved raising of funds worth 500 crore rupees. 5. Midwest shares make a decent market debut today. Stock lists at 100 rupees premium. Midwest sold its shares in the price band of rupees 1,014 to 1,065 apiece, applied for a minimum of 14 shares and its multiples to raise 451.10 crore rupees between October 15 to 17. Disclaimer: this article provides stock market news for informational purposes only and should not be construed as investment advice. Readers are encouraged to consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.